treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us.
When the night comes crawling and I'm all alone, I head for the highway, baby, to please my restless bones, my restless bones, restless bones. I should try harder to please you. I'm not the man I wanna be, yeah. But my weak soul is letting me down. Babe, don't be so hard on me. Don't be so hard.
guys, it's been so long since I last talked to you, and I am excited to show you what's up, what's new in my life. As you guys can tell with this video, I've moved into a new place. I am here in the Philippines. I moved into a new condo with 1 bedroom, just a cute little place. It's nothing big. We did a lot of shopping, trying to put it all together. It took us about maybe 2 weeks non-stop of buying things. Not completely done, but it's to the point where we can kind of just sit back and relax and finish it every now and then whenever we have time. Most of the stuff that we got were from Ikea. We went to Ikea, we got a bunch of our bigger stuff there. We got our bed frame from there. It's just a basic minimalist beige bed frame. And we also got a couch. When we first went to Ikea, it was out of stock. So if you go to Ikea and something is out of stock, keep checking it online when you get home, and then sometimes they restock it. The couch that we got was called Linenus, I think it's called. I'm not sure. I'll put a picture right here. Pillowcases were also from Ikea. The lamp right beside the couch, which is gold, is also from Ikea. So the theme for the condo is kind of like very minimalist with gold accents. There's also shelves that we put at the top in the living room, which we are going to fill up with 10-inch Funko Pop. And we got one from Singapore, and it's the Mushu one. All these toys that you guys are seeing on the shelf right now are actually from Singapore. Moving on to the shelves, right underneath the TV, we have 2 picture frames right now. I'm not really quite sure what to put on the shelf. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. We got these hanging bars. Joshua helped us put up these bars. I'm not really quite sure what to do with the rest of the hooks, but let me know down below if you guys have any ideas on what to put up there. We do not want it to look like very cluttered. We still want it to kind of look minimalist, but still homey, if you know what I mean. And then right underneath it, we have this spice rack. I almost forgot the lights in the living room. Oh my goodness. These are one of my favorite lights ever. They are gold. They're spotlights, so you can kind of switch them around whichever way you want them to shine. And it's so nice. I'm so excited for it. The curtains we bought are actually just from Marketplace. So you can find these. If you live in the Philippines or in Manila, you can get these from the Marketplace. But if you actually want blackout curtains, go somewhere you can test them out. Buying things online is a little bit hard. You just don't know the quality of it. You don't know if it's legit. Speaking of, we got scammed. So we bought a TV online and it wasn't real. It was not a real seller. It didn't come. It was my fault because I guess I didn't really research it enough. So yeah. We got a 50-inch TV now, so it's all good. Moving on. But guys, on a brighter note, look how nice this grass is. I'm so excited to fill up this balcony. It's a 10mm artificial grass, I think. We got it online, so Joshua helped us set it up. There's more moving vlogs coming up really soon. Best believe they will come. That being said, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.